How's it going, everyone? We're just on the Buddy 125, and it's about, gosh, I'd say an hour till sunset, and we're just gonna head to grab something to eat. And thanks for joining me. This will be kind of a fun ride. I'm gonna try and get 2 meals back on the Buddy, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I don't know if you joined me earlier for my commute where I ran out of gas. But right now, we have a full tank on the Buddy, so no chance of that happening. And we're just going to be going up and over this hill. We got the cherry blossoms and everything blooming. Everything just looks awesome right now. Check that out. Gigantic. I think that's like a magnolia. I have no idea. I think that's true. This guy's coming uphill on his bicycle. And there we go. I like that new Prius. Let's see our rear view. People playing disc golf, and we got this fun little hill. As you can see, the little daffodils are coming up. Alright, just going to be taking a left. Actually, you know what? Let's take a right. That way we can see Joe's Gardens, which should be looking pretty this time of year. Little guy's on his cart. I had one of those as a kid. It was awesome. Oop. Is that Ninja 250? Awful lot of bikes out right now because the weather's so nice. Look at those cherry blossoms. Here's Joe's Gardens. Well, looks like they're closed at the moment, actually. And here we go. We'll be taking a right and then a left. There's Star Buds, 21 plus. Alright guys, I'm gonna go grab some food. Thanks for joining me. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we got our grub. Got our Wendy's here. Let me grab, I forgot my gloves and all the excitement. So this is our, just to show you how practical the buddy is, this is the section that holds the Frosty, and then this is the section that holds all your meals. And then the gas gauge doesn't work, so you just check the gas by opening the lid and going like that. Yep, we got gas, perfect. So now we're ready to rock. Let's see if we can make it out of here. Okay. Well, I think we're ready to rock. We're all set. Let's go. Gotta watch out for the F-150s. We're gonna let this lady roll. Okay, never mind. We're going. Never mind. Okay. Oh, no, thank you. Appreciate you, though. It's a nice drive. Yeah. All right. Onward with the Wendy's. There we go. And we're off. Whee! Well, as you can see, everything fit. Had no problem at all with the buddy. Fit great. Whee! And we got plenty of gas for the ride home, which is awesome. And yeah, as I was telling her, plenty of miles per gallon to be had on this bad boy. I think we're probably getting like 90 or 100 right now, so that's awesome. But yeah, everyone's out. The weather's nice. Well, it's cooling off a little bit with the sun. Well, we're gonna go take this food. Let's get this food delivered. And yeah, if anyone was wondering, you know, if you're looking for just the perfect little delivery vehicle, God, the Buddy 125 is hard to beat. It's got the pep, it's got the fuel economy, and as you can tell by our parking lot encounter, it has the charm. A little bit of nose whine with my tires, as you can hear, a little road noise. But that's from the knobs, the big knobby tires. And we're off. Just while we're riding, as far as our camera goes, we're on the DJI Action 4 with the Mic 2 external microphone located inside my helmet. That's why you're hearing me so clearly. Oh, big bump on the Buddy. Now tomorrow on this thing we're going to get gas. But it still sounds pretty good so far. Whee! Yeah, as you can see, where this Tesla struggles to stay within the lines, the Buddy has no problem. Ooh, we gotta watch out. We got the disc golfers here. Oh, that lady earlier was funny. She was rolled up to me smoking a joint. Yeah, I don't know if anyone knows watching, if you're like international or whatever. This is Wash of our little sunset here. I'm not exactly sure what's going on. It's not really the best spot to take stuff for pictures. Okay. Yeah, beautiful sunset tonight. We're going to go ahead and take a right. Here we go. Oh, he's a good boy. He's protecting his dad from the mighty Buddy. Oh, look at this scene. Look at these flowers. Oh my gosh. It's like a, I mean, they're not even flowers. It's like a giant tree bush of flowers. Let's go over here. Get some more views. Good views. Yeah, tomorrow I'm definitely going to get gas. Alright folks, well thank you for joining me. I'm going to go ahead and cut it here. Oh, there's a good cat. The little cat's out on his patio watching the, I guess you would call it a catio. Out watching the sunset. Well, thanks again, guys. I'm going to deliver this food, and y'all have an awesome day. Take care.